A courier service is interested in knowing customer feedback. The customers are being given the following options to choose from: not satisfied, somewhat satisfied, neutral, satisfied, very satisfied. What scale of measurement has been used here? Here is an order is there, so it is an ordinal scale. Ordinal scale. For which of the following scales of measurement is rank or order meaningful? Rank is order is meaningful ordinal scale, and the interval scale is also the all properties of ordinal scale, and ratio scale also having all properties of ordinal scale. So it will be the all three except nominal scale. A survey has been conducted to determine the amount of time a student below the age of 12 spends on playing video games. The students are being given the following options to choose from: less than 30 minutes, 30 to 45 minutes, 45 to 60 minutes, more than 60 minutes. What kind of scale of measurement has been used here? It is interval? No, because we cannot perform any addition or subtraction on this. Ratio is also not. It is an ordinal scale. Catherine has recently read the Booker Prize winner The Discomfort of Evening by Marek Lucas Risenfeld and decided to rate this book on the Goodreads website. There she is asked to rate the book on a scale of 1 to 5. What kind of scale of measurement is being used here for rating? The rating is 1 to 5 in a numerical value. So it is a numerical data and it is an interval scale because it is not having a absolute zero. That's why it is an interval scale. What can you say about the scale of measurement being used for describing hair colors such as blonde, brunt, red and black? It is a categorical data and it is a nominal scale. There is no any order or anything. So the scale of measurement is nominal. What is the scale of measurement for phone number? Phone number we cannot do any mathematical operation in that. It is a nominal variable, nominal scale of measurement. Which of the following is true for a variable with ratio scale of measurement? Addition operation can be performed, yes. Subtraction operation can be performed, yes. Multiplication can be performed, yes. Division can be performed, yes. The variable with ratio scale of measurement can have 0 as one of its value, yes. It is the basic requirement for absolute 0 for ratio scale of measurement. So all the 5 options are correct. If addition, subtraction can be performed on a variable, then the scale of measurement of the variable could be ratio, not ordinal, interval, not nominal. So let's check how much is correct, how much are. Oh, it's all. Thank you guys.